going to tell you how to color an apple. Now, go with the yellow first. Okay, just shade it lightly. Okay, and if you want to add more highlights, it will be white. Now, a little bit of orange. Please, we will get in white and we will make some highlights. Okay, now everyone knows apple is a red color. We go round and round, round and round, and round and round. It will fill the gaps and apple will look much more realistic. Some little bit of orange because we have to make it like a real apple. Now take some dark colors and fill it gently. Don't use black. Then red again. So this is an apple. But wait, it's not looking like an apple. It will, I'm telling you. Just wait. First, we have to throw some shadows. Now, it is very light. Just take some black color. And rub it around the sheet. Gently, not hardly, because you know, paper is very soft. I don't have purple color, so I'm using a red. Yes, now, this time, don't forget about it. Otherwise, my crown just broke. I will use brown, dotted. And now, I'm going to fill it with some purple. And we are going pink. Oh, wait. We are going pink. Bye-bye.